Alright, here we go. This is my Fuji Declaration. Bought it off someone recently for 80 bucks. My last bike was an unknown track bike. I left it outside while I was working and someone stole it. So I just got these bars, handlebars today. The tape I just did. They're just some aluminum bars. They're from Japan. I don't know what kind of stem I have. It's like 5 years old. And we just got some Schwalbe tires and then whatever rims came on the Declaration. Down here we got a 48 17 Origin 8s. We need a new chain. I already scratched the shit out of it. And down here we got some Shimano flip-flop clip-ins. Yes, I got clip-ins. Got these Adidas. We got a profile cup holder. This is clutch. Shout out to my buddy Alex. And back here we just got, light, a little bag. Needs a new saddle. Really happy with it so far.